Leave within a year. What the fuck are we doing here?
Robert, she's not sure whether she really wants to leave. This may turn out to be nothing.
Are you this stupid every day, David, or is it just that I've only noticed now? The problem is she doesn't know what the hell she's doing. I mean, if this were a sure thing, at least we could make a good decision.
I don't think it's as risky as you think. It shouldn't be that hard to find another CEO.
Yeah, but she's micromanaged the company for the last 10 years, and her managers will stage a coup d'etat the second we try to replace her.
We did mention that she's willing to give us a 50% discount if we let her leave within a year.
And what's 50% of nothing? No, this is a crap deal in a crap market with a crazy CEO.
Robert, I mentioned this the other day, but the new limited partners for this billion-dollar fund might like to see a technology investment.
Well, presenting that will be about as fun as a trip to the proctologist. You know, they don't get tech, and they definitely don't get crazy CEOs.
Yes, but back when we're pitching to new investors, we said we're venturing into new industries.
Yes, Jason, new industries a 60-year-old understands. Construction, banking, oil, anything but this. We have been working on this fund for over a year, and we've got nothing to show for it. No closed deals, no solid leads, nothing but nonsense.
We just brought you a deal.
You just brought me a joke, except I didn't laugh. Try again.
Hey. Wow. Looks like somebody got a nice anniversary present.
Don't remind me of that. It's tricky getting gifts from your ex-husband when he fled like the fugitive 8 years ago.
Why are you here? You look way too happy for someone who hasn't even stolen this yacht away from me yet.
I've just agreed to sell Ionics. I'm ready to accept your offer and join the team.
What offer?
You told me to call you when I was ready. I'm here.
No, Nancy. I told you to come crawling back to me when you wanted a job. I don't see you on all fours yet. I don't know if you missed it, but the market's tanked. We don't have the cash. Nobody's about to give us $100 million to build factories.
I don't think you understand. I have already agreed to sell. I'll be out of a business and a job.
Oh, no, I understand perfectly well. I just think you misunderstood the last time we talked.
How much do you need? Why don't you fund it yourself? You're worth billions.
I don't have that kind of cash lying around. I'd have to sell something big, and it's a buyer's market right now. So until things improve, it's a no-go.
I can fund it. I'll have almost $100 million in cash after I sell.
How do you figure $100 million?
We haven't agreed on an exact price, but I should get 10 times annual profit, so $100 million is reasonable.
$100 million for that business isn't going to happen.
They're serious about buying it, and they're desperate. I've already negotiated my way into leaving early, and I'm negotiating myself a great price.
Leave early? Who? They must be crazy. Who is they, anyway?
Peak Partners.
So you're telling me that if I call Peak Partners and talk to Robert, he'll confirm your story?
Go ahead. You know, I've always wanted to try something new. If you do this, I will have nothing.
Nothing? Even if you sell that business for 50% of your asking price, that's still $50 million. Sounds like a lot more than nothing to me.
Hello?
Hi, Jason. It's Nancy from Ionics. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I just wanted to let you know that I've decided to stay on as CEO. I'm not going to leave. But I do want to sell the business, so
Let me know what information you need from me.
Wow, that's good news. Why the sudden change of heart? Did your other venture fall apart?
I just realized that my place is here. I've been doing this for so long, can't imagine doing anything else. Anyway, let me know what you need in an email, and I'll send you what you need.
Okay.
Smells delicious.
I haven't even started yet.
Is Jason home yet?
No, he probably won't be back until you're already asleep.
He's working himself silly. All to support us.
He's not really. We still have enough from the settlement. Jason just needs to learn how to balance his time.
Susan, I know what you're expecting him to do. But he shouldn't have to pay my bills. There are other options. You could go back to work. Or you could ask your brother for some help.
Oh, you're foolish if you think that they'll help. And I can't go back to work right now. I'm just not ready.
See, Todd, I told you, way better than work.
Yeah, what's $500 for a VIP room next to a night we won't remember?
It's actually $750, and you'll have to tip me generously if you want the full package.
How about this for a tip? You can use my card for the night.
Cash only, thanks.
Leonard Byron wants us to bring in new deals. Do you know anybody that can raise debt?
Man, stop. Don't worry about work, man. You're messing up my game. No one's even doing deals now anyway.
No, I think he's really pissed this time. We should have called Jason at Peak Partners. They might have something.
Are you gonna pay me, or are we gonna send Taco?
Hey guys.
Oh shit.
What's up there, Chief? Ace? Glad to see you're both hard at work.
Got your email from before, and I was just about to.
You were just about to tip the stripper $100, when she's obviously worth $750. Hey, yeah.
I didn't want to come here.
No? Well, I got an idea. How about the two of you come to my office tomorrow? We talk about your progress. Maybe you could find a way to get there before the end of the day. Gross. Oh, and guys, in the future, just so you know, it's two of them and one of you. And that's all she wrote. Angel.
Hey, Todd, I just had this awesome dream. There's a threesome, and Byron was in it.
You're an idiot.
So, what do you got for me?
Well, it's actually much better than we thought. 70% reoccurring revenue, so even if Nancy gets hit by a bus, we're not screwed.
Well, I see you've been planning ahead. How much will it cost to hire the bus driver?
A lot less than it would cost for the entire company.
You know how Robert will view this, right? He'll say that the company could lose 30% of its value instantly.
Well, I haven't hired the bus driver assassin yet.
I'm not talking about the bus, Jason. I'm talking about the 30% of revenue that isn't recurring.
I didn't know you're such a glass half empty guy. They love 70% reoccurring revenue with any other company.
Yeah, except other companies don't have CEOs with more mood swings than a teenage girl.
But if we swing her mood the right way, we just might land a huge discount.
Some people are starting to question why the hell you're pursuing this.
We're both pursuing it. We both pitched it to Robert.
Yeah, except you're the one who jumped on it tooth and nail. I've got other things on my plate. We're thinking of putting Martin on this deal.
Has Martin suddenly learned to string together sentences with more than 2 words long?
Oh, I wouldn't step on too many toes if I were you. Martin is very well connected. Apparently his dad even runs in the same circles as the new limited partners.
Is that a threat?
Oh, not at all. Just a courtesy call. And do be sure to teach Martin how to say more than 2 words at once. Maybe he can introduce you to some important people when he gets up to 3 words per sentence.
Hey. 3 little words.
The bottom line is that the numbers actually work. We're looking at a 25% return and more if Nancy gives us the discount that she promised.
If she leaves early, can she really maintain these profit margins?
Her being there has nothing to do with the profit.
Guys, forget about the numbers for a minute. Who the hell's going to buy this business from us when we go to sell it? We make nothing unless someone buys it from us.
Well, actually, if you turn to the next page, you'll see a list of similar companies that have also been acquired.
You call these deals similar? They're from much bigger companies and huge markets.
It's like saying that a date with your buck-tooth sister is the same as hooking up with Scarlett Johansson.
No, this isn't good enough. I mean, the numbers look okay, but I don't understand who would buy a company like this. Show us a list of potential buyers or we don't have a deal.
I know who's going to buy INX. It's just you guys haven't thought of him yet.